Guys, there's the Jigsaw killer, so we already saw him. No, okay, so we saw a guy. And then we're going to the floor that we saw him on at first. So yeah, we're gonna come on, come with us. Yes, we can 5v1 him. Turn off your Reese. I'm gonna get copyright on this video. I'm gonna get. They're gonna die. Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs. We'll be back to you. Yeah, there will be back to you. We'll be back to you when something exciting happens. Run! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Oh. Yo, this is so fun. This is so fun. Oh my god, I just film like this. So yeah. What? Okay, so you have 5 of us. Oh, dude. Oh, I heard something. There's
a door closing.
Guys, how about Kyle can go in front?
Yeah, Kyle can go in front because he's the strongest.
Guys, we're fine. No, he's the biggest. He can.
Guys, dude, okay. What if he runs at us from behind? I call being in the middle. I'm in the middle. Okay, guys. Oh, we're at level 1.
Where'd you go?
Oh, how are we over? I got my apple.
No. Okay, full blast. Kyle got captured. I think this is the guy. we should all be walking like I have a business. Kyle.
Yes, he is. He is just moving over there.
See ya.
If you guys might be able to see.
Where is he? Guys, take the stairs.
See, his foot is moving. Dude, shit.
See ya.
His foot is moving. Yeah, there was a guy over there. Reese's Puffs. I made it out alone.
Except for a couple of matches.
Oh!
The one right off the grill. You see the lighting? That's our
Guys, we just got him on video. We just got him on video. He's getting his popcorn right now. He's getting his popcorn. Dude, it's so scary. Oh, dude, he's getting his popcorn. Oh my god, it's so scary.
Where's Ethan?
Yo, Ethan left. I think Ethan got caught by Jigsaw.
Thanks. I accidentally hung up on Kyle.
Okay, well, he's coming with us, so when he
I
leaves,
think
we
Ethan got caught by Jigsaw.
Hey, sorry. Sorry. I know, we're coming. Okay, we are.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, heave it up. Here at Lambo after the Jigsaw sittings, and then I did this maze thing, and it took me 3 tries because I'm an idiot. Yeah. So Lambo skills. Skills happen, right? Right, Tyler? Skills. I'm a big you suck. Dad. We have games today. Here's him. He's playing Cookie Click. It's not now.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
How do you feel?
I don't know at this point.
How do you feel?
What the heck?
How do you feel?
Hi, Coach.
Come inside.
Okay.
You don't.
That's nervous.